Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. If you've tuned in with me today, you are obviously a busy mom or just a busy woman looking for a quick option in the mornings to apply something on your face just to look more awake, add color to the skin, and this is the look that I've come up with. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, you need to make sure that you have a clean face, obviously. You can start out with just a basic primer to fill in those pores so that your foundation sits like a blank canvas on your face. Okay, so I've got some on here. Just put them where you need them, where your pores are more open. So for myself, it's more my T-zone area, on the cheeks, the bridge of the nose, forehead, even a bit on the chin. Okay, just make sure to rub it in evenly. It has a bit of a silicone feel and you don't want your makeup to smudge off, so you want it to stick all day. Okay, so next you're going to start with your foundation, and if you like a satin finish and good coverage, not thick feel, then I would recommend this one, the Revlon Candid. It's really, I like the formula. I'm also quite fond of stick foundations, which are also quite nice. Good coverage. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'll start out with a brush, blending brush or buffing brush or foundation brush. Okay, just blend your makeup quite evenly across your face. Okay. I should have put a band on my hair just to get it out the way. Alright. Okay. I think that's nice and even. So next you're going to go in with your concealer, just to conceal up those tired eyes so that you look more fresh and awake, because that's kind of the purpose also of wearing a little bit of makeup to work. You want to look awake and fresh. So I just put some under the eyes, a little bit on your forehead, also brings out the features a bit more on those areas. Okay, just like that. Then I'll go in with a sponge. I like to blend my concealer with a sponge. Okay, like that. So let's go in that tough to reach under eye parts. Okay, I'll just dab a bit on the eyelid as well, because that saves time for me. I'm not someone that uses a primer for eyeshadow, so I just go in with a little bit of concealer as well, like that. Okay, on the bridge of my nose, forehead. So just with regards to cleansing your face, obviously you wash it with clean water, and I prefer to use cold water because warm water opens up your pores, and I don't like my pores to be wide open when I intend on putting on makeup. So I use cold water to wash my face. I do however use a toner. Okay, next we'll go in with the bronzer. Okay, just get a brush for a nice fluffy brush. The bronzer, you just put that just under your cheekbones, right? Like that, just to get some color in your face, right? I like to exaggerate my jawline and cover up that double chin. And I'll put a little bit in my hairline, just that it doesn't look, or that my makeup looks more natural. Okay, so for myself, to save time, I use a little bit of bronzer as well as eyeshadow. If I can just grab that brush. So instead of going in with a whole bunch of palettes, to save time in the morning, you can go in with a nice fluffy brush, take some of that bronzer. Okay, so you want to make a swaying motion across your eye. Okay, left to right, left to right. Like that. Okay, just go like this. Okay, like that. And then also, if you want to just carve out the nose, you can just take the same color and same brush, and that's enough for me as well, just to carve out the nose a bit more. Okay, so we're almost done. So just this little brush to brush those eyebrows. If you have very sparse eyebrows, you'd need to fill them in. For myself, for work purposes, and when I'm in a hurry, I just brush them neatly. However, if you want to fill them in, if you need to, I would suggest that you use a brush. It will be a bit quicker than the powder, so you can fill the sparseness in with a brush. Let me just go in with some blush quickly. I'm using the LA Girl blusher. It's a Old Faithful one of mine. Okay. Right, that's enough. Got on the eyes. Now we go in with some mascara. I've got the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. Okay, just go in with this. Right. Okay. Okay, I'll just put some on the bottom lashes as well. If you're like myself, I'm not really into false eyelashes. I'm lucky enough to have good length lashes as well, so I don't really need them. However, if you feel you want to add them, you can. Obviously that will take a bit more time because you got to get that lash glue on, got to get it a bit tacky before you put it on your eyes. Okay. I think that looks quite good. Okay. And then lastly, second last, we still have three things. So some highlighter, just to give you that natural glow effect. Right. Just take a fluffy brush, or you can use any fluffy brush really. Okay, that's nice. Some here. Okay. Okay. And then for the lips, I'm using the Revlon Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. I love this color. It's kind of nude, but not really. Gives a bit more color. Okay. So what I like about lining your lips, you can obviously give a little bit. So for someone like myself who has quite thin lips, well, my top lip mainly, I can actually add a bit more. I can overline them rather, and it looks quite more. It looks more full. Okay. Okay. And you're done. Right, so obviously the idea of this video was to make it 5 minutes for your makeup. So in terms of someone like myself, I'd give it a quick comb, and okay, I would say you're done. Okay. Oh, setting spray. Of course, you want your makeup look to last as well. I've just got the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. I love the smell of this. It smells like grape. I absolutely love it. Okay. Got some in my hair. That's okay. Okay, so, and that's your look, guys. Quick and easy. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section below. If you have any more requests, comments or suggestions, please comment as well. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Guys, just a disclaimer, it is free. Please, for those of you who are wondering, I know when you hear subscription, you're thinking, what am I paying? What is the catch? There's no catch, guys. It's free. Hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.